destroyed.
How many times?
8 times.
8 times destroyed.
Built here before is built of bamboo. 1581.
Built of bamboo.
1581, sir. Destroyed like earthquake, fire, British, the second one. Everything secure to destroy. But until 1945, destroyed again. And like the original stone mount we rebuilt here. Donate the money here from American and Spanish and Japanese tourister again in Manila Cathedral. The left, sir, I am monument of pineapple.
Oh yeah, I see it. I see it.
That's why I imagine, sir.
What's up, man?
Yeah. That's why, sir, I have a pineapple. The #1 product of the Philippines is pineapple. That is the monument of Manila Cathedral. The Manila Cathedral, sir, if you want to merge here, you have to wait 1 year to 2 years after to merge. Because every day, I have a wedding here to Manila Cathedral.
Every day?
Yes, sir. One day, 2 times, 3 times, I have a wedding here to Manila Cathedral. Wanna look inside?
Oh, hindi na.